Welcome back to Classic Rider Hub. Today we are taking a close look at the Bajaj Platina 100 cubic centimeters, one of the most trusted commuter motorcycles for riders who want comfort, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance at an affordable price. If you are planning to buy a daily use motorcycle for city rides or long office commutes, this video will help you decide whether the Platina 100 cubic centimeters is the right choice. The Bajaj Platina 100 cubic centimeters comes with a simple yet practical design that focuses on everyday usability. The sleek fuel tank graphics, stylish headlamp, long comfortable seat, and lightweight body give the bike a clean and modern appearance. It may not be a sporty motorcycle, but it is built for riders who value reliability over flashy styling. Powering the Platina is a refined 102 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that delivers smooth performance and excellent fuel economy. The engine is tuned to provide effortless acceleration in city traffic while maintaining a relaxed riding experience. The gearbox shifts smoothly, making it beginner-friendly and easy to ride in crowded streets. One of the biggest highlights of the Bajaj Platina 100 cubic centimeters is its outstanding mileage. Under normal riding conditions, the bike can deliver around 70 to 75 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most fuel-efficient motorcycles in its segment. With rising fuel prices, this level of efficiency can save a significant amount of money over time. Comfort is another area where the Platina stands out. Bajaj has equipped the bike with a long quilted seat, comfortable riding posture, and well-tuned suspension. The telescopic front forks and rear suspension absorb most road bumps with ease, making daily rides less tiring. Whether you ride through city roads or rough village streets, the bike remains stable and comfortable. The braking system includes drum brakes with a combined braking system for better safety. The lightweight chassis makes the motorcycle easy to handle, even for new riders. Parking, turning, and riding through traffic feel effortless because of its balanced design. The instrument cluster is simple and easy to read, displaying essential information such as speed, fuel level, and other basic indicators. While it does not include advanced digital features, it provides everything required for practical daily riding. Maintenance costs are another reason why the Bajaj Platina 100 cubic centimeters remains a popular choice. Spare parts are widely available, service costs are affordable, and Bajaj's extensive service network ensures that owners can easily maintain their motorcycles without spending a fortune. If you are looking for a motorcycle with premium styling or high-speed performance, this may not be the ideal option. However, if your priorities are fuel savings, comfort, reliability, and low ownership costs, the Bajaj Platina 100 cubic centimeters is one of the smartest choices in the commuter bike category. Overall, the Bajaj Platina 100 cubic centimeters continues to prove why it has earned the trust of millions of riders. It offers dependable performance, impressive mileage, comfortable ergonomics, and affordable maintenance, making it an excellent companion for daily commuting. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Classic Rider Hub, and press the notification bell so you never miss our latest motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and updates. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.